We are gathered here in the sight of God to witness and bless the joining together of Chelsi Cherie Lang and Aaron Scott Barnes in Christian marriage.
The day that my sister gets married, that is definitely at the top of the list for one of the most special lifetime events I could ever experience.
The day that I met you, I knew that you were different than the rest. You were genuinely nice, down to earth, easy to talk to, and you were passionate about your job and your family. I remember thinking you were a really great guy. At the time, I had no intention to date anyone seriously, and remember telling you after our first date went really well that I didn't intend to hang out more than once or twice a week.
Almost 3 years ago, when I agreed to the opportunity to meet you, I never in a million years thought that we would end up right here in this position today.
It's your birthday. Yeah.
I was at a point in my life where I had a void that I was missing, like something wasn't there, and you and Joel have definitely filled that void. You push me every day to be a better man, and I constantly try to be the best role model I can for Joel.
Represent their families, rejoice in their union, and pray God's blessing upon them?
Do we ever? We do.
We met each other at the best time. We were both happy and content with our own lives and knew exactly what we wanted for the future. We fit into each other's lives so perfectly, and you were exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy you like to binge watch Netflix, spend every Sunday at the lake, and eat ice cream, or this definitely would have never worked out.
You are the smartest woman I've ever met. You're funny. I love to run ideas by you and get your feedback, as long as the feedback's not too bossy. I can't wait to see what adventures life throws our way. I love you with all my heart and can't imagine spending my life with anyone but you.
I want us to always remember why we fell in love and choose to love each other even when we are unlovable. I promise to love and support you, push you to be your best, and continue to water the grass on our side of the fence. I love you, I choose you, and I'm excited to do life with you.
I'm the father of the groom or the bride. I'm dad.
Chelsi, you bring out the very best in him every single day, and it's incredible to see. And so I want you to both know, from our whole family, we love you both to death. We're so excited to have you in the family, and just raise a glass because nothing but the best for both of you all today.
As for Aaron, thank you for loving my sister and my nephew. They're two of the most special people to me, and I'm so thankful to have you, to be there through the good, the bad, and for you to love them every moment along the way.
Well, I couldn't have asked for a better sister. I definitely always wanted a brother. Chelsi, I wouldn't trade you for anyone, and if I had to pick a brother, it would probably be a guy like Aaron. It is evident to all that know them how happy he makes her and how happy they are together. I think you have been with Chelsi long enough, Aaron, to know what you are letting yourself in for.
So, to both of you, have a great, long, wonderful, loving life. Continue to appreciate God's blessings. Marriage, as Pastor Bryce said, is hard. Life is hard. But the two of you are up to it. You are both hard-working individuals. Keep laughing and loving. You make us proud.